boy! This heat is drying me out. Warm air makes me soft and bitter. Keep me cool and wrapped, mate.
Blimey! I'm ripening too fast. Cold air turns my skin black. Leave me out till I'm ripe.
Hey, I've lost my flavour. Fridges ruin my natural taste. Room temperature keeps me tasty.
Hold on, I'm getting sweet. Cold turns my starch into sugar. Stormy, dark, and dry.
But grief, I'm sweating. Air makes me moldy fast. Wrap me properly, please.
Oh no, I'm going sour. Warm air spoils me quickly. Keep me chilled, yeah. Careful, I'm not safe warm. Bacteria love heat. Seal me and chill me. I'm going moldy. Moisture ruins us fast. Wash me just before eating.
I'm going stale. Cold air dries me out. Room temp is best.
Cricky, I'm fragile. Yeah. Warmth grows bacteria. Keep me chilled and clean.